Hello everyone, hi Leo, fire sign. So this is January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest, and energy could be vice versa. So let's see what's going on in your messages. Leo. So Leo, fire sign. Messages for you. So let's see. Ten of Cups. Yeah, a lot of love is coming, lot of happiness is coming, Leo. Yeah, I think in past, Six of Swords, the Magician, and Page of Swords. So you are manifesting something in your life in past. Yeah, and Six of Swords, some communication. Page of Swords, someone is spying on your social media, or you may be spying on them on social media. For some, there will be some communication is already happened between both of you. Yeah. I think your person maybe want to fix things between both of you if you are there are some disagreements between both of you in recent past. So let's see what's going on now. Nine of Swords, Two of Cups, and Three of Pentacles. Definitely someone is coming back for reconciliation and they are coming back with an apology. Yeah, for some they are already approached you because Nine of Swords energy, I think you are missing them a lot. Nine of Swords energy could be vice versa, it could be your person, but what I'm seeing, you both could be soulmates also. Three of Pentacles, I think there is no collaboration between both of you, what I'm seeing here. Here two groups. So I think one group, you both feeling that your soulmates. I think you may be feeling soulmates, but there is no collaboration, there is no partnership. For another group, your person is coming back for reconciliation with an apology. Okay, right now in near future, definitely you are feeling to give up on the situation, and yeah, definitely you cut them off, but they're coming back with an apology. I think yeah, definitely your person is coming back, even though they are not coming back now. In future, definitely, because the Page of Cups, a message apology, they want second chance, and the person involved in this connection could be Libra. I think there is no partnership, there is no collaboration, there is no equal give and take in this connection. That's why you are feeling very sad. You are fed up with that energy because you only the person always investing in this connection. I think your person only in and out of your life. I think you are feeling insecure. There is no commitment. That's why you cut them off. You stand by your power, but they are coming back with apology, Page of Cups, some message, some communication, and yeah, they want second chance, Leo. But it's up to you to give second chance or not. Totally, it's up to you. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Leo. Nine of Wands. They are also missing you. They are obsessed with you. They are thinking about you obsessively, and they are also missing you so much. That's why they are coming back with an apology. Nine of Wands, they won't give up on you. Yeah. But the Devil energy, I think they may be non-committal, but they want you. I think they are very dominating in this connection, could be. That's why you cut them off. But they won't give up on you until you give second chance. Definitely they are hoping for second chance. Yeah, they are also missing you so much. Nine of Swords energy, I think you both are on the same page. You both are missing each other. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, there is something fighting it was happened between both of you, what I'm seeing here. And Nine of Wands with the Devil, and I think they won't give up on you. They will try again and again until you give second chance, what I'm getting here, because they are obsessed with you. The Devil card is here. Definitely they are obsessed with you. For some, you both are obsessed with each other. That's why there is a lot of resistance in this connection. One person gives so much, but another person not. One person is responsible, another person is not. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Leo. I think a lot of readings getting same got Temperance. I want one more clarification card for Two of Swords, Queen of Wands. Under the deck, King of Wands. I think you both are very strong couple, very passionate couple. A lot of passion involved in this connection. There is a lot of passion between both of you guys. And yeah, the Temperance, the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. Temperance, Knight of Cups, Two of Swords, clarification card is Queen of Wands. Definitely they are at some crossroads. Yeah, they are going to be choose you, but it will take some time because Temperance, they are waiting for the right time to come towards you because you cut them off. They don't know how to approach. That's why they are sending some apology messages. They want to test the waters before coming towards you. And Knight of Cups, definitely they have strong emotions. And now they are recognizing your value after the separation. If you are in separation, if you are in no contact or less contact, definitely they are recognizing the both of you and they're recognizing a lot of emotions for you. Yeah, Knight of Cups, definitely they have strong emotions and they want to offer this cup of love to you. See, but still they are at some crossroads, but they are going to be choose you, Leo. Yeah, there is a lot of passion involved in this connection, but Temperance, I think they want to restore the balance in this connection. Definitely they are waiting patiently for the right moment to come towards you. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Capricorn or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Especially Sagittarius or Capricorn. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future and outcome. Wow, it's your card. Yeah. Maybe in some cases your person maybe walked away from you, but now they're feeling regret. If you walked away, yeah, they're gaining their strength to come back. They may be scared. I think you are very honest, very committed in this connection, Leo. Yeah, I think for some you also want reconciliation with you. For some it could be third party situation also. Because Three of Cups, I want one more clarification card. Connection, I think you both are in separation because these are the mutual energies and the connection card. Definitely your person may be undergoing some transformation or maybe you may be undergoing some spiritual awakening. Definitely there is no talking between both of you. Yeah, but I think for some you also want reconciliation with your person. You also want to forgive them if they did something wrong to you. Yeah, they're gaining their strength back to come back to you. They're waiting for the right time because Knight of Cups is here. Definitely there is love offer coming towards you, but they will take some time. If this person is your person, if it is you, definitely you also take some time to accept their offer because the Hermit is undergoing some transformation. It is spiritual awakening. The Emperor, I think you are very committed and you are very honest person in this time. I think this time you want to take some time also to accept again them into your life, what I am getting here. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your energy for the week, overall energy for the week, Leo. Yeah, Temperance, Empress. Wow, Leo, your card. Wow, Ace of Cups. Definitely for some you are investing your energy on yourself, self-love. For some new offer, new love entering in your life. It could be some other person, maybe past person also. Strength, definitely you stand by your power. You overcome all the pain in your life. Now you stand by your power. Definitely see how attractive you are looking. Definitely you stand by your power. And your person also see you like an Empress. And the Temperance, definitely you are taking your steps very carefully this time. You are also achieving balance. You stand by your power. You are in super stable. Wow, the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. Nine of Cups, the World, Seven of Cups, King of Cups. Definitely they have strong emotions for you for sure, Leo. And Seven of Cups, maybe in past there are in some confusion, but now they are recognizing you both, and they may be fantasizing about you a lot. And the world, definitely some cycles are going to be end and some going to be begin, and this could be long distance relationship between both of you. And yeah, Nine of Cups, definitely they are wishing for new beginnings, and yeah, they want new beginnings with you. They are wishing for reconciliation. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Believe in the impossible. Wow. If you are not trusting anything in life right now, but believe in the impossible, something is coming in your way. So Blue Moon, believe the universe, believe in the impossible. Some miracles are going to be happen. Okay. Believe in the impossible. Wow, very good card for you, Leo. If you want to give another chance to your person, if you are thinking and you are not trusting, I think believe in the impossible. Trust your intuition. Okay, so this is a reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.